Here's how to enable whether to show notifications on the lock screen, to hide them, or don't show any at all. And this is a Pixel phone with Android 14. If you have a Pixel 6 or a Pixel 8, this should be the same, as they all should have Android 14. To get into these settings, use the quick access and you'll see the settings icon here. Once in this section now, go to where it says notifications. As you are here now, you'll see the notification set of options. And then you want to go down until you see the privacy section where it says notifications on lock screen. So this will allow you to show them, hide them, and then also don't show anything at all. So these are for the notifications on the lock screen. Now you can come out of here and you can also go to the part that has the display settings. As you go here, you will see the lock screen section here as well. This is the same set of options, except it's breaking down to two itself. So you'll see privacy here, and you have show all or don't show notifications at all for the lock screen. Now, the next and the last thing you can also check here, go down to this section here. Just keep going down until you see wake screen for notifications. So let's just say you turn off your notifications, but your phone still lights up. It wakes up on the lock screen every time you get a new notification. If you don't want that happening, just simply turn this off. So when you turn it off, it won't wake your screen, but if you turn it on, it will. You can come back and change these at any given time, like and so.